here is the Toyota X-Van Cross Gear. Now, this is a concept vehicle, but it is also a modular vehicle. In terms of length, this vehicle is 4,800 millimeters long. It is also 1,800 millimeters tall, as well as 1,800 millimeters wide. So it is a very large vehicle. It can hold upwards of 6 occupants, but who knows, maybe in production form, it can hold upwards of 7 occupants. Don't have any information in terms of its propulsion, whether it will be battery electric or hybrid. So that remains to be seen, but an interesting concept from Toyota. Now, the doors, very interesting, very wide doors. So it makes getting in and out of this van very easy. They sort of extend to the front and the rear. And again, whether it's cargo or passengers, cargo being luggage, camping gear, equipment, that's going to be a nice feature of this vehicle if it ever makes production form. There's the roof rack as well, and it is on sliding rails. So again, the X-Gear van concept can be used again to carry different types of cargo for different types of applications. Interior wise, it's a pretty fun vehicle. One of the cool things, it's got sort of this ocean wave pattern on the seats. They feel like vinyl, not the highest quality. They feel quite thin, but there are sustainable materials here on this vehicle. And again, a very open cabin. You've got sort of this tabletop type of front console here with a infotainment display. There's also wireless charging, and then there's the driver display as well. Again, information very clearly laid out to the driver, but the infotainment there for the driver and passenger. Another nice feature is that if you're a driver in a big vehicle like this, there is ample window real estate to see around the vehicle. And then interior wise, we've got these rails, we've got this very large panoramic roof, probably one of the largest I've ever seen on any vehicle. Another cool feature is that underfloor storage right there. So there is a little tray. I'm not gonna pull that out because it is a concept vehicle. And it is a bit narrow in the back, so maybe 2 occupants, ideally maybe 3 small occupants in the back. Here, certainly you could get 2 occupants in, maybe 3, with an adjustment to the configuration. And again, these rails allow for modularity that allow the seats to be moved back and forth, which really allows for some versatility in terms of the cargo in this vehicle. So we are here with Onoe-san Kenichi, and he is with Toyota. Hashimimashite.
Yeah, hajime-san. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay, so please tell us a little something about this vehicle. Nihongo daijoubu desu.
大丈夫ですか？
はいはいはい。
そう、私たちはこのミニバンを作ってますと。だから、今までのミニバンと違うバリューをお客さんに提供したいと考えてます。で、スペースの広さ、あとは外観の楽しさ、これを持ってお客さんのライフスタイルを変えたいです。
ライフスタイル、はいはい、
チェンジ、いや、そして要するに B ピラーをなくしますね。そうすることでエントランスが広がって、で、あとはシートね、フロアをフラットフロアにすることによって、シートアレンジがいろんなことができます。バリエーション。
はいはい、わお、すごいです。
車は乗ってるだけじゃなくて、止まってる時も楽しめるものにしたいというのを願ってます。
すごいです。はいはい。And 多分いつ2026、2020、30。Yes。
お客さんが望んでくれるなら、if you want to, we can make this one.
If the demand is there, Toyota will make it. So camping fans, outdoor lifestyle fans, 大好きです。Toyota 話します。They will make it. Okay. Onoe-san, ありがとうございます。Thank you. Hi hi. Okay. Now, one of the things to remember is Toyota is really pushing toward electrification. They plan to have a line of 10 electric vehicles by 2026, and by 2030, we should see a very broad electrified portfolio from Toyota. So this is the Toyota X-Van Gear concept. Let us know what you think about it. Also, let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for checking out this video, and see you in the next one soon.